So now let us be everlastingly enjoyed by you. Can you imagine having such a pure mind and heart? You can stand before your favorite form of Krishna. Say, Krishna, from this day forward, I surrender to you unequivocally without any reservation. Now, you everlastingly let you enjoy me. Everything for you. This is gopis. Be our proprietor, our controller, our owner, for that is your natural claim. And be our supreme friend, for you are naturally so. Let us thus embrace you as the supreme beloved. It's very sweet, very intimate purport by Srila Prabhupada. How can we not appreciate that? Seems very nice to me. Be our supreme friend, because that's what sadhu sangha means. Sadhu sangha, because Krishna is like a diamond. Hira, he's like a hira, like a diamond. Diamond has so many facets and so many angles. And all those different facets and angles and facets and cuttings, they cut the diamond. They make it perfect and valuable. So Krishna is that totality of that diamond of Krishna consciousness or prema, Bhagavad prema. And every sadhu is a different facet. Every sadhu and saint is a different angle or facet. So the more we associate with qualified and realized and advanced sadhus, we get different angles. We see different angles and viewpoints of Krishna. And because a diamond has many, so to fully appreciate the illumination and fully appreciate the brilliance and value of the diamond, then we have to see all the facets together. If we only see part of it through a microscope, we see just a little part of a diamond, then we can't appreciate it. If we see the whole thing and set properly in a blue sapphire or whatever, or blue or gold ring, it'll look very nice. So all the sadhus, so why should we ignore any great sadhu who is commenting on a subject that we're so interested to learn? You go to here, we are Gaudiya Vaishnavas. We have a common center. Our common center is Radha Govinda Yuga. From the earliest childhood to the end of his life, Prabhupada is worshipping Radha Govinda Yuga and Mahaprabhu as a true Gaudiya Vaishnava. So such a person, because Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Kali Kalera Dharma Krishna Nam Sankirtan, Krishna Shakti Bine Nahi Tara Pravartan. Kali Kalera Dharma Krishna Nam Sankirtan. In the age of Kali, the Kali Kalera Dharma, the Dharma or the religious practice is Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. But how you can do that? Krishna Shakti Bine Nahi Tara Pravartan. Without Krishna Shakti, it's impossible to pravartan, to establish this path of Dharma for this age. Krite yad dayato vishnam tretiyam paricharyayam. No, tretiyam yajato makai dwaparyam paricharyayam kalotad harikirtanat. This is from the Bhagavatam. The age of Kali is Nam Sankirtan. So somehow, the first thing that Prabhupada received from his father and all the great saintly Gaudiya Vaishnavas that were visiting his house was Shakti. Prabhupada's father, Gaur Mohan De, arranged that his son would be filled with Shakti. What is that Shakti? Because all these Gaudiya Vaishnava sadhus and saints that were taking the Govindaji Prasad in the house of Abhay Charan, they were all asked by his father, please bless my son, he becomes a pure devotee of Radharani. Pure devotee Radharani means, please bless my son, he becomes full of Ladani Shakti. Ladani Shakti means the ability to love God and the ability to experience and taste transcendental bliss. So anyone that chants the holy name and takes a little prasadam irregardless of the amount of sins or conditioning therein, they will experience drops of transcendental bliss, and those transcendental drops of bliss are simply coming from the wave, from the ocean of Radharani's Ladini. This point is in the Bhakti Sandarbha.